walk or two, and maybe even 3. I've seen them tall, and I've seen them short, and every place in between. And I've seen them kind, and I've seen them mean. I've had my heart split in 2, and I've even split a few hearts myself. Though they'll draw you like a sunrise and dump you like the rain, and there ain't nothing you can do about it, so don't even try. Just remember why they're here, and accept it all with grace. Your soul will offend, but your heart will mend. Yes, it's all part of the game. So thank you, Lord, for when you knew the ups and downs. But even when it all falls out, there ain't nothing better. No, nothing better